Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to fix folder option is missing from the list of new in context menu of Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you whenever we right mouse click, you can see the context menu, right? So if I click on this new, so now you can see here, I don't have any folder option which was available earlier. So you can see here, folder option is missing under this new list. So in order to fix this folder option missing from the list of new in context menu, what you need to do is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. And after that, just hit enter. Now you can see here one file is being downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now just double click it to run this registry file. Click on run. Click on yes, click on OK. Now let us check if it has fixed the issue or not. Let me just right mouse click again. Let me click on this new. So you can see still the folder option is not showing up. Now on your computer keyboard, just press Win plus R to open the run program. And in the run program, just type regedit and you can click OK or hit enter. Now the registry editor program will get open. Now you can see here HKey classes root folder. Just select it and click on this left arrow icon. Now just scroll down below. You can see here one folder name folder. Just click on it. Now just double left click on this default option and just give a name folder here. If it is not being added, click on OK. Now on your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl Shift Escape. Now just select this Windows Explorer and click on this restart task. Now let me right mouse click again. Let me click on this new. Voila, now you can see here the folder option is showing up again. So finally we have fixed this issue. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily fix folder option missing from the list of new in context menu of Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.